Hey guys, it's Asia, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I took some sweatpants from the thrift store and I flipped them into a two-piece set. So stay tuned if you want to see how I did that. So with this project, I started off by making the shorts. All I did for that is grabbed a magazine and used that as a guideline to cut off the bottom half of one side of the pants. Then I folded them in half and I used the already cut side of the pants as a guideline to cut the other side off. Once I did that, I rolled up the bottom of the pants to the desired length, and that is really all I did to make these shorts. So now we're going to move on to the top portion of the two-piece set, and to do that I took the bottom part of the pants from the previous clip and I cut it along the seam, and I did that for both pant legs. Next, I took the two pieces and I laid them on top of each other, making sure that the right sides were touching. And then I just sewed along the edge of one side of the cloth. And then, as you can see, when I open it up, it created one giant cloth. Next, I took my scissors and I just cut along the perimeter of the cloth to make a rectangular shape. Now I need to clean up this raggedy rectangle, so I just folded in all four sides and I pinned them down and sewed them into place. Once I did that, as you can see, there's tons of excess fabric, so I just went ahead and cut all of that off. This is the final product, and I think this fit looks bomb. So this is just another way that you can wear this two-piece set if you're like me and have been skipping the gym, skipping the sit-ups. Just hike up your shorts and then put a belt around your waist, and bam, you have a romper. Alright, so I think I've done enough twirling around in this outfit, so thank you guys for watching, and if you like these types of DIY videos, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.